This is going to be the difference between you achieving your dreams and you just talking about them. Hey, it's Thais with Abundance Nation. Welcome back to my channel. I speak all things relative to law of assumption that involve money, love, and happiness. So, the biggest compliment that I get all the time is that I have developed the art of truly not giving a flying F. When things begin to happen, I'm like, I don't have to worry about it. The universe knows what's going on. There's nothing for me to do but to make a decision, a conscious decision about what's happening in my reality. That's your only job when it comes to manifestation, to living a life that's fulfilling, that's successful, that gives you everything that you desire. That is the difference between those who make it and those who do not. And so, how do you learn not to give a F? One, you start living in your truth. Whatever your truth is, that's what you need to live in. And so, something that I hid from myself for a really long time is that I have an innate ability and talent to write books, an ability to teach, an ability to create, an ability when I put my mind to it, I achieve it. And I used to run from that. I ran from it because it wasn't the status quo. The status quo right now is all about I want a man that's going to pay my bills, or I'm going to do this, or I want to live like this. And if somebody else doesn't give it to me, well, then it's not going to happen. But this is the thing, you have to give it to you. You have to decide that that's what you want. We're asking from all of these for all these things from other people, but what are you asking of yourself? And when I learned to start asking of myself, Thais, what is it that you are going to do for you? And so when you make a decision to start doing for you, this is when you will start to not give an F. How many of you watching this video right now, you're constantly pouring into your family? You support every single thing they do. You buy every box of cookies, you buy every can or tin of popcorn, you spend $30 on a bucket of cookie dough. But when it comes to you and what it is that you're doing, what you're creating and growing in your life, it's crickets. You know why? Because you are a pushover. I was a pushover. I was a yes person. I thought the more people who said yes to me, who were related to me, gave me more worth. But I'm here to tell you right now, it's going to be the strangers that you meet on the street. It's going to be whoever it is when you're setting up and recording your content because you feel as though you have something in you that you're supposed to share with the world. You matter. I want you to know right now that you matter. I cannot say it enough, but you absolutely matter. You are here to be successful. You are here to live a great life. We're not waiting. Reverend Ike says we need to enjoy now. We don't need to be waiting until we die and go to heaven. Are you ready? I'm being so serious when I ask this. Are you ready to go in order to go walk on the streets of gold? No. Walk on them here. As so above, as below. Claim that for you in your life right now. I am living in the riches right now. Wake up and say, I'm living in the millions right now. I don't care what it is what it is. Who gives a F? Do you know this is it's just physical matter. And we are more powerful than that. We are more powerful than the table I'm beating on. I'm more powerful than the phone that is recording this. I'm more powerful than YouTube. I'm more powerful. Do you understand that you are more powerful than these things? You are the operant power. You determine what it is. And so say to yourself, when something comes up, because guess what? Sometimes you're going to have bad days. Some days you're going to be like, what the is going on? And it's going to be in those moments that you have to make a decision. You're going to say, well, you know what? I don't accept this for me. Universe, do your work. And you're going to allow the universe to do it. And you're just going to move on. Journal about it. Release whatever energy you have to release. I would suggest you go for a walk. I would suggest you journal. Sometimes you got to be careful about emotionally dumping on someone. I'm not saying that you shouldn't share your emotions or that you shouldn't share how you're feeling, but make sure that whoever you are sharing these emotions and these feelings with, make sure that there's some action that follows. We rely on others to really be responsible for our emotional growth and our emotional development. It all starts within. And so know this. Stop caring. They don't text you back? Stop caring. They don't give you a promotion at work? Stop caring. Because the universe knows. And you make a decision in that moment. Because nothing has to be permanent. You just have to make a decision for it to change. And when you do that, you will experience heaven on earth. Make sure you like and subscribe this video because guess what? You are meant to be here. You are meant to shine and you are meant to live in an abundant nation. So believe in the magic because it's yours. Bye.